On July 19, 2024, the world experienced the largest global IT infrastructure failure in history. It disrupted communication, halted business operations, and caused widespread chaos. Microsoft services were among the hardest hit, affecting PowerBI, Microsoft Fabric, Microsoft Teams, and Microsoft 365 admin centers. This event highlighted our heavy reliance on internet connectivity and the vulnerabilities within our digital infrastructure. Reports indicate that the outage was due to a combination of technical failures and potential cyber attacks. Major ISPs reported unprecedented disruptions, which led to a domino effect, impacting various sectors including airports, banks, and businesses. According to sources like Thousand Eyes and Cloudflare Radar, the outage saw a significant rise in ISP-related issues globally, with particularly severe impacts in the US and Europe. The outage caused significant disruptions in daily life and business operations. Many people found themselves unable to access critical online services, and businesses, relying on cloud-based tools, faced operational standstills. Airports experienced delays, financial transactions were halted, and communication was severely hampered. This situation underscored the fragility of our digital infrastructure and the importance of being prepared for such events. One popular theory is that the outage was a result of a coordinated cyber attack by a hostile nation-state. The idea is that these entities are testing vulnerabilities in global internet infrastructure as a precursor to more extensive cyber warfare. Proponents of this theory argue that the timing and scale of the outage suggest a deliberate and sophisticated attack aimed at undermining global stability and testing the resilience of critical infrastructure. Another theory suggests that the outage was orchestrated by governments to control the flow of information. This theory posits that the disruption was part of a broader strategy to prevent the spread of sensitive information or maintain social order during a significant event. Supporters of this theory point to past instances where governments have restricted internet access during protests or political unrest as a means of control. Some speculate that the outage was an act of sabotage by rival tech companies aiming to undermine Microsoft or other affected services. This theory suggests that corporate competition has reached a new level of hostility, with companies engaging in covert actions to disrupt competitors' operations. The motive behind such actions could be to gain a competitive edge or to destabilize a rival's market position. There's also a theory that the outage was a test run for an internet kill switch that governments or powerful entities could activate in times of crisis. This idea suggests that the outage was a deliberate action to test control over global communications. Proponents of this theory argue that governments or powerful organizations have the capability to shut down internet access to manage information flow and maintain control during emergencies. Another theory suggests that the outage was used to cover up a more significant infrastructure failure, such as a major undersea cable break or critical data center malfunction, which is being hidden from the public. According to this theory, the reported cyber attacks or government actions are a smokescreen to distract from the real cause of the outage. Another theory suggests that the outage is a prelude to a significant event or operation, such as a military action, financial reset, or other large-scale operation requiring temporary disruption of communications. According to this theory, the outage was a strategic move to create a communication blackout in preparation for a larger operation. Given the range of theories and the potential for future outages, it's crucial to explore practical steps that preppers can take to be ready for such events. Here are some strategies to ensure you and your family are prepared for future internet outages and other catastrophic events. Ham radios can operate independently of the internet, making them invaluable during outages. Getting started with ham radios involves obtaining a license. The process is straightforward. Study for the exam, pass it, and you'll be equipped with a communication tool that can connect you with people across the globe. Ham radios allow for long-distance communication, which can be critical during an emergency. They also provide access to emergency frequencies and networks that can keep you informed about the situation and coordinate with other preppers or emergency responders. Satellite phones are another excellent option for maintaining communication during an internet outage. Unlike cell phones, satellite phones connect directly to satellites orbiting the Earth, ensuring you have a reliable communication line regardless of the ground situation. While they can be expensive, the peace of mind they offer is invaluable. Satellite phones are particularly useful in remote areas where traditional communication infrastructure is lacking, or during widespread outages affecting large regions. They can provide a lifeline for staying in touch with family members, coordinating with other preppers, or contacting emergency services. For short-range communication, especially within your local community or household, two-way radios, or walkie-talkies, are perfect. They are easy to use, relatively inexpensive, and do not depend on any external infrastructure. Be sure to choose models with a good range and battery life, and keep extra batteries on hand. Two-way radios are ideal for coordinating activities within a small area, such as a neighborhood or campsite. They can also be used to establish communication with nearby preppers or community members, ensuring everyone stays connected and informed during an outage. Having a reliable generator can make all the difference during a power outage. There are various types of generators to consider, from portable options to more permanent installations. When choosing a generator, consider your power needs and the fuel type. Regular maintenance is crucial to ensure your generator is ready to go when you need it. Solar chargers are a fantastic sustainable option for keeping your essential devices powered. They are particularly useful for charging small electronics like phones, tablets, and radios. When selecting a solar charger, look for one that matches your power needs and is compatible with your devices. Power banks are a must-have for any prepper. They provide a portable and convenient way to keep your devices charged when you're on the move or when the power is out. Choose high-capacity power banks with multiple charging ports and keep them fully charged and ready for emergencies. In a digital world, we often forget the importance of physical copies. Keep printed versions of essential documents, maps, and contact information. Store these in a waterproof, fireproof safe to ensure they're protected against physical damage. Storing critical data on external hard drives or USB drives ensures you have access to important information, even without internet connectivity. Regularly back up your data and keep these storage devices in a secure, easily accessible location. Having a library of survival books and manuals can provide invaluable knowledge in a crisis. Include books on first aid, gardening, home repair, and other essential skills. This offline resource can be a lifeline when digital information is inaccessible. A mesh network can help you maintain local communication without relying on the internet. These networks use multiple nodes to create a robust and resilient communication system. Setting up a mesh network in your community can ensure you stay connected with neighbors during an outage. Developing a community emergency plan is crucial. Work with your neighbors to establish meeting points, communication strategies, and resource sharing plans. A well-coordinated community response can make a significant difference during a crisis. Stockpiling non-perishable food and water is a fundamental aspect of prepping. Stockpiling non-perishable food and water is a fundamental aspect of prepping. Aim to have at least a few weeks' worth of supplies for your household. Rotate your stock regularly to ensure it stays fresh, and consider dietary needs and preferences when planning your storage. A well-stocked first aid kit and necessary medications are essential. Include items like bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and any prescription medications your family needs. Regularly check expiration dates and replenish supplies as needed. Basic tools are essential for repairs and maintenance during an emergency. Make sure you have items like wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, and duct tape. Knowing how to use these tools effectively can help you address minor issues before they become major problems. Growing your own food reduces reliance on external sources. Start a home garden with vegetables and herbs. Gardening provides a sustainable food source and can be a rewarding and therapeutic activity. Learning basic first aid and CPR is crucial. Get certified through courses offered by organizations like the Red Cross or local community centers. Keep a well-stocked first aid kit and a first aid manual readily available. Knowing how to provide initial care can save lives during emergencies when professional help may not be immediately available. Developing basic maintenance skills can be invaluable during an emergency. Learn how to perform essential repairs on household systems, such as plumbing, electrical, and heating. Having these skills can help you address minor issues before they escalate and ensure your home remains functional during an extended outage. Sign up for local and national emergency alert systems. These systems can provide critical updates during an outage, including information on the cause of the outage, expected duration, and recommended actions. Staying informed allows you to make better decisions and stay safe during emergencies. Follow reliable sources for emergency information such as government agencies, reputable news organizations, and local authorities. Verify the credibility of information during a crisis to avoid falling for rumors or misinformation. It's crucial to base your decisions on verified facts from trusted sources. Keeping a stash of cash in small denominations is essential. In the event of a widespread outage, electronic payment systems may be down, making cash the only viable option for transactions. Ensure that your cash reserves are kept in a safe, secure location. Consider investing in precious metals like gold or silver. These can serve as a hedge against economic instability and provide a means of barter if traditional currencies become unreliable. Precious metals have historically held their value and can be a practical component of a diversified preparedness strategy. Enhance your home security with physical barriers, alarm systems, and surveillance cameras. These measures can deter potential intruders and provide peace of mind during times of crisis. Joining or establishing a neighborhood watch program can also help increase community security. Learning self-defense skills can be invaluable in protecting yourself and your family. Consider taking classes in martial arts or other self-defense techniques. Additionally, having tools for protection, such as pepper spray or personal alarms, can provide an extra layer of security. Today, we covered the recent global internet outage, explored some conspiracy theories about its cause, and discussed practical preparedness strategies for preppers. We emphasized the importance of having alternative communication methods, backup power sources, data backup solutions, essential supplies, self-reliant skills, staying informed, financial preparedness, and security measures. Being prepared for internet outages and other catastrophic events is crucial. By taking proactive steps, you can ensure your safety and resilience. Preparedness is not about living in fear. It's about being ready to face challenges with confidence and capability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Check out the links in the description for additional resources and further reading. Stay prepared, stay safe, and take action today to protect yourself and your loved ones from future disruptions.